Are you tired of getting fined for reckless driving but lack the footage to prove your innocence? Or perhaps you're a fleet manager trying to optimize your driver's routes while ensuring safety on the road. Well, you've come to the right place. For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the Thinkware U1000-Cam. It's more than just a device that records your journey. It's an advanced data analytics tool designed to give you valuable insights into your driving habits and behavior. Therefore, if you're looking for a way to improve your driving skills, optimize your fleet's performance, or simply ensure your safety on the road, then keep watching. But let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered what's happening behind the wheel when you're not paying attention? Do you know how many times you've been in a situation where you wish you had evidence to prove your innocence? Therefore, it's time to take control of your driving experience with the Thinkware U1000-Cam. But don't just take my word for it. The Thinkware U1000 is equipped with an array of advanced features that set it apart from other dash cams on the market. For instance, it comes with a built-in GPS module that provides accurate location tracking and speed monitoring. Therefore, you'll never have to worry about getting lost or driving above the speed limit again. But what really caught my attention was the U1000's ability to detect and record important events such as lane departure, forward collision, and parking incidents. But here's the twist. It's not just a one-way recording device. It can also send alerts and notifications to your smartphone in real time. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make the Thinkware U1000 stand out from the competition. Key features: advanced video processing technology with enhanced image quality. 2.1-inch LCD display for clear visibility and intuitive operation. Built-in GPS module with speed monitoring and location tracking. Lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and parking incident recording. Real-time alerts and notifications via smartphone app. But what does all this mean for you? Well, let me tell you, the Thinkware U1000 is not just a dash cam. It's a driving coach that helps you improve your skills and stay safe on the road. Therefore, if you're looking for a device that can provide you with valuable insights into your driving behavior, then look no further. But before we dive deeper into the features and benefits of the Thinkware U1000, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered what makes a good dash cam? Is it the resolution, the battery life, or something else entirely? Therefore, let's take a closer look at some of the key factors that make the U1000 stand out from the rest. Factors to consider: resolution and video quality, battery life and power consumption, built-in GPS module and location tracking, advanced features such as lane departure warning and forward collision warning. But here's what I want you to take away from this review. The Thinkware U1000 is not just a dash cam. It's an advanced data analytics tool that can help you improve your driving skills, optimize your fleet's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. Therefore, if you're looking for a device that can provide you with valuable insights into your driving behavior, then look no further. But what about the installation process? Is it easy to set up, or do you need to be a tech expert to get started? Therefore, let's take a closer look at how easy it is to install and use the Thinkware U1000. Installation process. Easy plug-and-play design for seamless integration. Intuitive operation with clear menu navigation. Advanced settings and customization options available via smartphone app. But what about customer support? Is the manufacturer responsive, or do you have to wait forever for assistance? Therefore, let's take a closer look at how Thinkware supports its customers. Customer support. Dedicated customer service team available 24/7. Comprehensive user manual and online resources available. Warranty and after-sales support provided. But what about the competition? Is the Thinkware U1000 the best dash cam on the market, or are there other options worth considering? Therefore, let's take a closer look at some of the key players in the industry. Competition. Blackview Doctor 900S2CH. Garmin Dashcam 66W. Viofo A129 Pro. But here's what I want you to know. The Thinkware U1000 is not just another dash cam on the market. It's a game changer. Therefore, if you're looking for a device that can provide you with valuable insights into your driving behavior, improve your skills, and ensure your safety on the road, then look no further. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Thinkware U1000 is an advanced data analytics tool designed to give you valuable insights into your driving habits and behavior. With its array of advanced features, including built-in GPS module, lane departure warning, and forward collision warning, it's the perfect device for anyone looking to improve their driving skills, optimize their fleet's performance, or simply ensure their safety on the road. For the best price, click the link in the description.